product page just blinked into existence without a single stage light or hype video. That is how we found the latest titanium wearable hitting the market. It feels like a secret. No party. No fancy keynote. Just a list of specs on a website. The first thing you notice is the metal. They use titanium for the entire case this time. Most companies only use it for the top ring. Now the whole body is made of it. That makes it incredibly light on your wrist. It feels premium. It feels expensive. Yet you barely notice it is there throughout the day. Inside, it runs the newest software from Google. It even has that new AI assistant built right in. Most other brands are still waiting for that update. This gives you a genuine edge. You get the smartest features before everyone else. Then there's the battery life. This part is wild. In the regular smart mode, you get 5 days. If you flip it to power saver, it lasts over 2 weeks. That is 16 days on a single charge. For a watch with a bright screen and high power, those numbers are massive. But wait, there is always a catch. They kept the same chip from the older versions. They skipped a generation. That is a clear move to save money. It matters if you're looking for a speed boost. If you already own the previous model, this might feel like a lateral move. You are getting the same brain in a nicer suit. Plus, there's only one size available at launch. It is big. It is bulky. If you have small wrists, you are out of luck for now. There is no cellular option either. You have to keep your phone nearby at all times. It costs $350. That is a lot of money for a device that keeps you tethered to your smartphone. Now, here is the part that most reviews are completely skipping. The company behind this watch is in a state of serious flux. They are pulling out of major global markets. Key leaders are resigning. There are reports of operations winding down in parts of Europe. Even the North American market seems uncertain. This is a huge red flag. You buy a high-end watch, but will the company even be around in 2 years? Will they keep updating the software? They have been inconsistent with updates in the past. If the brand disappears from your region, your support might vanish with it. It is a strange situation to navigate. You have this beautiful piece of titanium hardware. It has some of the best battery life in the business. It has the newest software, but the foundation of the brand is shaky. If you are a first-time buyer, it looks like a solid deal. The build quality is top tier. The battery is a dream. But if you already own the previous version, do not bother. It is not worth the jump. You have to ask yourself if you want to invest in a brand that is currently shrinking. It is a gamble. You are buying a high-end tool with an uncertain future. That is the reality behind the spec sheet. It is not just about the pixels or the heart rate sensors. It is about whether the company will be there to fix it if things go wrong. Most people will just see the pretty screen and the metal case. They will see the 16-day battery claim and get excited. But you need to look at the bigger picture. The hardware is great. The software is fresh. The company is the question mark. Think about the long term before you commit your cash.